Jiro is my childhood friend until when we are both going to school. When we are in high school, he remained my best friend. He is always there when I am sad and when I am happy.
I saw her in the room.
Okay. Hey, Clarice.
Yes?
It's already done. Have to go.
Just wait for a while. I'm not done.
Can I help you?
Yes, you may. Finally, we're done. Now let's go.
I'm going.
Until one day, I discover a strange feeling that entered my soul. This feeling is new, and I wonder where it came from. I discovered this feeling when Jiro is with me. I feel so happy. I press it out, and away from me, I feel so happy.
What are you doing?
We're just reviewing for our exam.
I'm going.
Come in.
Thank you.
You see that.
Thank you. What's that?
From economy. Hey guys, keep all your things and have some drinks.
Okay.
Okay. Have a drink. Drink. Go.
Thank you.
Something happened this day because I've never seen Jiro. He never come in our class. I waited him in break time, but he didn't come.
Jiro? Hey Jiro! Why didn't you come yesterday? Say what happened?
Give me hello.
Please! Tell me what's the problem? Jiro!
Hey, Jiro.
Come back! Come back, Jiro!
When I saw him in the campus, I excitedly talked to him and asked him why he's absent yesterday. He didn't answer me. He just passed by and ignored me. Since that day, Jiro is always away and ignoring me.
I promise to follow all the rules in our brotherhood. And I promise to obey our founder. I am willing to die just to protect it. Viva CDR! Brother, it's still okay. Wake up. You might die. Let's go. Let's revive her.
The dream just walked away. I'm holding on. When all but the passion's gone. And from the start, maybe I was trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking my heart. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go.
I was very shocked because Jiro's mother told me that Jiro is dead.
You should be under arrest. This is the warrant of arrest. Let's go to the headquarters.
Yes, you. You'll be punished in jail. Now, let's go.